Everything you're looking for is all right here at Currus Court. The brand new Currus Court is based in the center of Canterbury. A quick bus ride will take you to the University of Kent and Canterbury Christ Church University, saving you plenty of hassle. Currus Court offers a wide range of ensuites starting from 4 to 11 bedrooms. Throw a dinner party for your friends at the communal dining table and shared kitchens, which have plenty of storage and cooking space. Get exceptional utilities like Wi-Fi, on-site laundry, and 24/7 team assistance all included within your rent. All the residents get access to the fantastic on-site facilities of sister buildings Palamon Court and Rhodaus Court, including their fully equipped fancy gyms. There are various facilities on-site to keep you entertained in your free time. Loosen up in the communal spaces with your friends or watch a movie under the stars on the spectacular rooftop terrace, which features a 24-seat cinema and a 120-inch screen. Discover beautiful places nearby like the historic Canterbury Castle and walk through the Dane John Gardens for a scenic outing. Visit amberstudent.com to book your stay right away.